Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open an account online with Truist Bank. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Truist Bank. Click on this first website, or you can simply click on Open an account as well. Now, you can choose the type of account you want. Let's go for a banking account, and here's the option. So, let's click on this one and simply click on Open Now. Now, click on Start Application. If you are already a Truist client, simply click on Yes, and if not, click on No. Now, enter the zip code, and you can also enter the promo code if you have one. Simply click on Continue. Now, enter all of your basic information here, your first name, last name, citizenship, date of birth, phone number, email address, and your social security number. Now, we need to enter our address details over here. After that, we need to enter the employment details as well. Once you're done with all of this, if you want a joint account, simply click on Yes, and if not, you're okay with No. Tick mark to confirm all of the information is correct, and afterward, we need to simply click on Continue. After this, we'll go to the next step, that is, Terms and Conditions, where we need to agree on the terms and conditions, after which we'll be setting up our account and where we'll create our username and password. The account will be created after this, and we need to do the required opening deposit as well. Once you are done with all of these 4 steps, the account will be opened. So, this is all we can do to open an account with Truist Bank. You can also choose the type of account you want in the beginning as well. So, this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.